Bonjour, hello YouTube e-bike lovers, how are you doing? Something special today, the solar electric e-bikes who arrived from Savoy at East Beach, fantastic people, a lot of women, and a trip along the Promenade des Anglais à Nice. It's fantastic view on the sea. Enjoy your life. We're rolling now along the Promenade des Anglais towards Nice, where the event of the solar bikes is. And you see, this is unique in the world. I've never seen that. You can walk, you do jogging, the cars are aside, you're on a protected area, but be careful, you don't see that in this video. When the tourists come, they look to the sea, they travel in your bike. So you ring or you say hello or what. You have always to be careful what's happening, and especially with the so-called trottinette, these e-scooters who run at high speed and they ignore you because they are completely absent. But it's a beautiful way to roll, and I explain what I'm not doing, what other people do. You see always this fantastic motorbike or e-bike people, reporters who have the camera in the left hand and drive with one hand. This is absolutely dangerous because the moment will come you have to have full concentration on your two brakes. It's a 30 seconds, someone snitches over and you don't see him. So I don't do this. I'm making normal reports and I'm talking afterwards because it would take too much attention during the bike trip. So I hope you understand it, enjoy the ride, and we're going to this event for solar.
Saint-Try, vélo solaire électrique voyage Savoie-Nice-Plage, Expo vélo solaire commercial, aussi Sophia Antipolis projet, et vélo cargo.
Sun Trip, solar electric bikes travel from Savoy to Nice Beach, Expo of commercial solar e-bikes, also from Sophia Antipolis and cargo e-bikes.
I'm entering the Expo show here, as you see. So the Expo is heavy cargos. Drives you nuts when you see this. It's like an Australian truck. Here is for people moving, very comfortable. And the Sun Trip, Savoy Nice, now they are arriving from Savoy with their solar e-bikes. All crazy guys, it's fascinating. Many women, also commercial e-bikes or solar e-bikes are ready to buy. Mostly dual motors to get up the mountains. And there are offerings here from people who want to sell from Sophia Antipolis a small solar e-bike for daily commuters. We will see it later. But it's encouraging to see all these crazy people. C'est ça la France, hein, c'est la créativité française. Des moteurs, deux moteurs tous faits à la main. Ils sont tous engagés, ils se parlent, c'est une communauté, hein, c'est vivante. Hein. Regarde là, c'est comme une toiture solaire. It's like a solar roof, and it has between 50 watts for the small Sophia bike and here up to 350 watts solar. An e-bike is normally using not more than 250 watts, so you easily can travel. And they have all an MPPT controller, so they are 12 volt or... Oh, you see the ladies. Oh, respect. This is the mayor of Nice, the green mayor of Nice, who made that all possible against many resistance. Congrats, Mr. Mayor. And here is the most sophisticated guy with the solar roof, and he has made everything himself. He's an engineer. the controllers, everything. This is from Sophia Antipolis. It will be on sale. Let's see here.
Ce qu'on cherche à faire, c'est effectivement des voyages courts, des trajets quotidiens.
Moving
Et
Power Lab,
on a
Sophia
l'expérience
Antipolis.
maintenant, avec
Eric
quelques ans
Pignon.
d'expérience sur ce type de produit. Ça marche et ça fonctionne très bien. On peut faire 10
10
à
to
40
30 kilometers per day commuter. Here you're using the bike to move the little bikes. It's exciting. I'm so excited about this initiative on the beach. It's really fascinating. So this is the Australian monster bike. You can several cargoes put behind it. Réparation to repair bikes at home. 2 children. It's all fascinating. Thanks for listening.
What's next e-bike living eco-sun village for digital nomads? No cars, but e-cargo bikes for green village factory. Battery repair e-bike all your jobs. No plastic, but green products assembly. Garden fruits, vegetables, community eatery.